Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation, design, and cutting-edge technology. Smartphones have become an essential part of our lives, and every year, companies push the limits of performance, style, and intelligence. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 20 mobile smartphones in the world. Devices that set new benchmarks for speed, camera quality, and overall user experience. The first one is iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's latest flagship with A18 Bionic chip, advanced AI features, titanium build, and the most powerful iPhone camera system ever. The second one is Samsung Galaxy S24, a premium Android powerhouse with S Pen support, 200 PA, eye-enhanced camera, and one of the brightest AMOLED displays in the world. The third one is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, known for its AI-driven photography, clean Android software, and Tensor G4 chip that delivers smooth, intelligent performance. The fourth one is OnePlus 12 Pro, a lightning-fast phone with Oxygen OS, Hasselblad-tuned cameras, and industry-leading fast-charging technology. The fifth one is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, featuring Leica-powered cameras, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and flagship design at a competitive price. The sixth one is iPhone 16 Pro, smaller than the Pro Max, but equally powerful, with the same A18 chip, promotion display, and pro-grade cameras. The seventh one is Samsung Galaxy S24, a balanced flagship offering a large dynamic AMOLED display, long-lasting battery, and Samsung's AI-powered ecosystem. The eighth one is Vivo X100 Pro Plus, a photography beast with Zeiss optics, powerful night mode, and stunning design built for creators. The ninth one is Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus, a futuristic device with premium hardware, satellite connectivity, and an industry-leading camera system. The 10th one is Oppo Find X7 Ultra, known for its curved display, Hasselblad imaging partnership, and stylish design that stands out. The 11th one is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, a foldable tablet phone hybrid perfect for multitasking, productivity, and entertainment. The 12th one is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, a compact foldable with flagship performance, trendy design, and improved durability. The 13th one is Honor Magic 6 Pro, a rising flagship with fast charging, eye-catching curved screen, and powerful camera technology. The 14th one is iQOO 12 Pro, a gaming-focused smartphone with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, high refresh rate display, and excellent thermal performance. The 15th one is Asus ROG Phone 8 Ultimate, the ultimate gaming phone with air triggers, massive battery, and advanced cooling system. The 16th one is Sony Xperia 1Vi, a creator's dream with 4,000 display, professional-grade cameras, and audio tuning for filmmakers and photographers. The 17th one is Motorola Edge 40 Ultra, a stylish premium phone offering fast charging, sleek curved design, and near-stock Android experience. The 18th one is Realme GT6 Pro, a budget-friendly flagship killer with Snapdragon power, fast charging, and solid camera setup.